WuchangFallenfeathers FPS Boost Guide. Nashter 1. In-game settings optimization. Go to Settings, Graphics, and apply the following. Best FPS settings, low-end mid-PC. Display mode, full screen. Best for performance. Resolution, native or 1280 by 720 for low-end PCs. VSync off, frame rate limit unlimited or set to monitor refresh rate, anti-aliasing off or FXAA, shadows low, textures medium or low, effects low, post-processing low, foliage low, view distance medium, motion blur off, ambient occlusion off, DLSS FSR enabled if available, set to performance. Hack 2. NVIDIA AMD control panel tweaks. For NVIDIA, 1. Open NVIDIA control panel, manage 3D settings, program settings. 2. Add wuchang.exe. 3. Set power management, prefer maximum performance, low latency mode, ultra, texture filtering, quality, high performance, threaded optimization on vertical sync 1, open AMD Radeon settings. 2. Go to gaming, Wuchang. 3. Set Radeon chill disabled, texture filtering, quality performance, wait for vertical refresh, always off, anti-aliasing, use application settings. Nahar 3. Windows optimization, power settings, search power plan, choose high performance or ultimate performance. Disable background apps in settings, privacy, background apps. Clean temporary files, press WinR, type temp, sent, and prefetch, and delete all files. Disable startup programs, open Task Manager, Startup tab, disable non-essential apps. 4. Disable full screen optimizations and DPI scaling. 1. Right-click wuchang.exe's properties. 2. Go to compatibility. 3. Check disable full screen optimizations, override high DPI scaling behavior, application. 5. Update drivers. Install latest GPU drivers from NVIDIA. Please open your app to see this link. Or AMD. Please open your app to see this link. Update DirectX, Visual C++ redistributables, and .NET framework. 6. Use ISLC Intelligent Standby List Cleaner. Download from Wagnardsoft. Please open your app to see this link. Set it to clear standby memory every 1 GB. Start it before launching the game. Havenurb 7. Optional. Tweak game config files. Open quote location. C. Users your name. App data local. Wuchang saved configured. Windows no editor. Close quote. Open game user settings.ini. Set. You can see the code in our conversation history. Hard results. With these changes, you should see 30 to 100% FPS improvement, depending on hardware, reduced stuttering and lag spikes, faster load times, and smoother experience. Let me know your PC